Hello there and welcome back to Chives. In this part of the tutorial, we will be crocheting his cap, necktie, scarf and mini carrot. You will need the following materials. Let's begin by creating his cap. With your yarn and 3mm crochet hook, begin by creating a magic ring and hooking in 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. Round 2. Crochet 2 single crochets in every stitch in the round. You will have a total of 12 stitches in this round. Round 2. Crochet 2 single crochets in every stitch in the round. You will have a total of 12 stitches in this round. Round 3. Single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this 4 more times. You will have a total of 18 stitches in this round. Round 4 and round 5. Single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 6. Single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet 2 together. Repeat this 3 more times. Single crochet in the next 6 stitches. You will have a total of 14 stitches. Round 7. Single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Turn your work. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. You have now completed Hipster Bunny's cap. Now to create his scarf. With your 3mm hook and colored yarn, begin with a slip knot and chain 61. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in every chain. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Take your needle and yarn and insert into the top portion of the scarf and pull through. Insert diagonally downward to the bottom part of the scarf and insert diagonally towards the top of the scarf and pull through. Insert into the bottom part of the scarf and pull through. Repeat this until you have decorated the entire scarf with this stitch. You have now completed his scarf. To create the tie, begin by creating a slip knot and chain 2. Row 1, hook in 2 single crochets inside the first stitch. Turn your work. Row 2, hook in 2 single crochets in every stitch in the row. Turn your work. Rows 3 to 5, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Row 6, single crochet 2 together in every stitch in the row. Row 7, single crochet in every stitch in the row. Chain 30 and join with a slip stitch to the other stitch. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. To create the design on Hipster Bunny's tie, take your needle and yarn and insert in the bottom of the tie and working your way up, so in horizontal lines in the tie. You have now completed his tie. Let's crochet a mini carrot. Begin by creating a magic ring. Round 1, hook in 4 single crochets inside the magic ring. Round 2, hook in 2 single crochets in every stitch in the round. You will have a total of 8 stitches in this round. Round 3 to 5, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Fasten off, leaving a tail long enough for sewing. You can stuff the carrot with fiberfill or leave it unstuffed. Sew the opening closed. Weave in any loose ends. To create the carrot leaves, grab your green yarn and then wind it around your forefinger and middle finger 6 to 7 times. Tie another piece of yarn around the wound yarn. Sew the carrot leaves on top of the carrot. Cut and have the yarn ends and unravel the yarn strands. You have now completed your mini carrot. Until the next tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.